I am about to clean my fridge. It is rusty. It looks horrible. It's horrible. I've been cleaning and wiping. It doesn't do anything. So I am going to use, I just did a mix and it looks like it's working on this side. So now I am just going to use this lime and then pass the lemon. I'm gonna use this lemon all over the fridge. Squeezing the juice out. Look at all this spot. Oh my God, it's horrible. It's coming out. This, I'm using a very dry one instead of the wet one. Use a dry one after. And then I'm scrubbing. If I have worked hard, this is working hard. What? Oh. Oh, let's reveal. Oh boy. I did it. I did it. What? I did it. 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 I did it.